What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do kind of like a New Year's Eve kind of look. So what I'm going to show you the two palettes that I'm going to be using. We're going to get started. I've already got my face on, Morphe foundation, concealer, Wet n Wild blush, Hoola, and I use this Artist Couture and Purple Dream. I don't know if you can really see it, but for my highlight. So the two palettes I'm going to use today are Profusion Smoky, and then I've also got this Cara Beauty ES38 Galaxy palette, One Galaxy palette, I don't know. But anyways, this is it right here, and it's actually really gorgeous. It's a bunch of glitters. So you can really see like all the really nice glitters in here. I picked this up a couple of months ago at one of those beauty outlet things. So hopefully I'm probably gonna, it's one of these two I'm probably going to use today along with the Smoky palette. But once we get started, we'll kind of see how it goes. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna head and get started. So let me find a brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip, let's see. I'm gonna go into Nutmeg, which is this deeper color right here. And I'm just gonna put that into my crease. And just really blend it out. And then I'm just gonna keep going deeper and deeper. Because after Nutmeg, I'm going to go into Graphite to deepen it up. Because Nutmeg's like that really nutmeggy kind of color. I get a little bit of fallout, but it'll be all right. And then I'm just going to do one eye. And then once we're done with this eye, I'll hop off camera, finish this eye up, and show you guys the finished look. So Nutmeg's in, it's pretty blown out. I'm gonna go right here into Graphite, which is more of this like purple gray kind of color. And just go a little bit lower because I still want Nutmeg, oh my god, to show up. I still want to see that brown, that nutmeggy color. And for New Year's, we're going to go deep. We're going to go into those vaults for a New Year's look. So I'm really making sure not to go above my crease where Nutmeg is. And then I'm going to pop right back into Nutmeg just real quick, just to kind of blend it out at the top. And then I'm gonna go and take a different brush, and I'm gonna go into Raven, which is like this black color. And just pop that on my outer to give it a little bit of depth in the outer corner. And this look is like super easy to do, super quick. As you can see, we're pretty much like flying through this. But the biggest thing is to just blow it out. So you really want to make sure you're blending, really blending those colors together. And you don't have to use this palette. I mean, this palette is like $5. If you have another palette that you love that has similar colors in it, feel free to use that, okay? So we've got that done. I'm going to go into this Cara Beauty little glitters. And I'm really thinking, because I want to use all kinds of, I want it to just be super glittery. And this one has a lot of the other colors in it, and it's a little bit deeper. So we're going to go into here, and I'm going to pat this on my eye. I'm not going to put it on a brush because it's easier to work glitters with your fingers than it is to do it with a brush. So I'm just going to pat it on my lid. So I'm going to take and wipe that. And then I am going to take this brush and go back into graphite and a little bit of nutmeg. And just kind of blend. And then I'm actually going to take this to lighten it up because it is a little bit dark. The other shade, this one right here, to lighten it up a little bit. Because I don't want it to be like, oh my gosh, black eyes. This is it right here. And then I'm just going to blend. But what I want to do is I really want to lighten up that color, the inner color, or my inner corner. So I think that might be too much. Let's see. Oh, I've got some Q-tips. What am I doing? Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay. So, I wiped off a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take, let's take this brush, and let's lighten her up with, what do we want to lighten her up with? Let's try Twinkle. Twinkle is actually in the Smoky palette, so let's see how that works, how it looks. Okay, I think that looks a lot better. Don't y'all? Okay, so we're gonna do that. I need to go eyeliner on. We're gonna take the black and just really deepen it up. And then we will go into graphite. And then nutmeg. I know it looks crazy. I know it does. But trust me, it's gonna look just fine. Okay? Okay? So, alright. We've done that. We're gonna put on some liner. Okay? Hank and Henry to the rescue. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hop off camera, do this eye, and then I'll be right back. And then you guys can see, like, the finished look, okay? And then get, like, rid of all the fallout. Okay? Alright. Okay, we are back. I got liner and lashes on. These lashes are by Ruby's Lashes. I found her through Instagram. They're super affordable. They are amazing, as you can tell. These are, like, super crazy, but I love them, and I think it really, like, brings the look together, because we have a crazy look, and it's New Year's Eve, so why not just go all out? So we've got that on, and now we need to find a lip. So I'm thinking, should we do a nude, or should we do, like, a red? like a dark red. This is like a purple kind of red. This is, what is this one? This is a lip plumping gloss from Icon. And then Stila, we've got Rubino, which might be pretty. Or should we do, no, nude's not gonna cut it. Or we could do like a lip crayon. Should we try this one? This is a Bite One in Tannin. Or should we? No, purple's not gonna cut it either. I really think, let's go ahead and just do the Stila. So the Stila in Rubino. Let's just see how it works. How it looks. Yes. Okay, so that is it for this look. I think it turned out, I was a little scared. I'm gonna be completely honest. I was a little scared at first because the glitter was getting everywhere. But it turned out good. It turned out okay. And I think this is a really cute look for New Year's Eve. Like, hello, look at me. I'm a disco ball. But anyways, so if you guys are interested in seeing more of these kinds of looks or any kind of fun looks for something that may be coming up for you, be sure and leave a comment down below. But that is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you guys have a happy New Year's. And I hope your Christmas was wonderful. But be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.